Sit down.
Sit.
Sit down.
It doesn't
Sit.
fucking matter. Get the fuck off.
Okay. Come sit down.
Get off me.
The 4th of July 2024, Daytona Beach. 4 issues. The Florida minor in possession statute. What Hiibel versus Nevada means when a detained person refuses to identify. The resisting without violence charge and what it actually covers. And what the legal record looks like when both parties choose de-escalation. Under Terry v. Ohio, a law enforcement officer may briefly detain a person based on reasonable, articulable suspicion of criminal activity. Apparent intoxication of an apparent minor on a public beach on Independence Day satisfies this standard. The Terry stop creates the legal foundation for everything that follows the identification request, the refusal, and the charge that refusal creates.
What's your name?
It doesn't matter.
How old are you?
It doesn't matter.
Well, you appear intoxicated to me. Come over here. Come over here.
I'll fucking walk you a straight line, brother.
Sit down.
Sit.
Sit down.
It doesn't
Sit.
fucking matter. Get the fuck off.
Okay. Come sit down.
Get off me.
Stop. Come back over here and sit down. Sit down. Stay there.
Can you please fucking video this? Please. Am I fucking doing something wrong?
Yes, you are.
Did I stand
Calm
here?
down.
What am I doing? Read it to me.
Well, now you're
Tell me.
resisting.
Resisting what? Standing here? Is that actually for real?
Relax.
I'm relaxed.
I don't know why you're acting like that.
Can I ask what I'm staying for? Okay.
Then I'll text you.
Okay.
And resisting.
Okay.
Yep.
That's why you're being detained.
I'm not trying to be difficult at all.
And it's not in the car, but I told him to figure it out tomorrow.
You're 21?
No, ma'am.
How old are you? You're 20? From Ohio?
Yes, ma'am.
What you doing in Florida? Spring break? Summer break? Hanging out? Alright. Is your parents down here or is it just you? Just you? Alright.
Yeah, I'm in the home.
You're in college?
Earlier this year.
I'm actually in cosmetology. I'm doing cosmetology.
Oh, okay. My mom did that. She's a cosmetologist.
And those boys are going to come down
What
here.
are you? Is it nails or hair? What are you into? Hair? Okay. Nice. So what type of hair? Are you basic trimming and or actual?
Trimming and blonde girls and all that good stuff. We got here about probably 2 o'clock. I'm not sure. It's great. You guys want to
I was just asking because it was good. I don't know if y'all do.
Somebody.
Yeah, no, there's somebody here. I was just saying it was good.
Okay, but you have one.
I just told you
Your attendant unit centers at the command post. If you want to take turns coming up here, you're more than welcome to.
Here with you now. Do you have any credit card?
Sorry, yep. Okay.
So how are you buying stuff on the beach? You want to sit down? Uber here.
Let me interrupt you. As you guys try to be more and more vague and quiet, you're making it worse for yourself, all right?
I'm gonna check you again because I don't know if they can hear me properly.
Okay,
You're
try
still
again.
you're still
because
drinking underage,
I am?
so that's still a problem that we're coming across.
Okay, well that's my name and there it is for you.
Okay.
MAKAYLA.
Do you have shoes or no?
Somewhere in the car.
Which car?
Wherever the Subaru Legacy is.
I think they might have left you.
Well, they're right here, so I don't think they left me.
Cooperation makes everything better. Okay. Well, it'd be smart to stay away.
There's a lot better things for you guys to do, but I guess carry out.
Well, we're just doing our job.
That's fair. That's fine.
Yeah. All right. We're gonna walk up the stairs up here, okay?
Okay. Am I going by myself?
Right now, yes.
You guys want to take one each?
Watch your step. Hold on. Slow down. Slow down.
Florida Statute Section 562.111. Makes it unlawful for any person under 21 to possess or consume alcoholic beverages, a second-degree misdemeanor. No breathalyzer, no laboratory test. The statute requires confirmed age under 21 and confirmed possession or consumption. Both appeared on camera. Age confirmed at timestamp 1 minute 20 and consumption admitted at 3 minutes 8 seconds. You're still drinking underage? I am. Those 4 words satisfy every element of the charge. Hiibel versus Nevada, 2004, held that states may require a person to identify themselves during a valid Terry stop. No Fourth Amendment violation. No Fifth Amendment violation. In an MIP investigation, age is not procedural background. It is the central factual question. Refusing to provide name and age during a valid MIP stop creates independent obstruction exposure under Section 843.02. It doesn't matter is not a legally adequate response. It is the opening line of a second charge. Florida Statute Section 843.02 makes it a first-degree misdemeanor to knowingly resist an officer in the lawful execution of any duty without violence. Resisting what's standing here is that real, reflects a common misconception. The statute covers any knowing obstruction of a lawful duty. Refusing to comply with a sit-down command during a valid detention satisfies it without requiring flight or physical aggression. Naming the charge on camera before escalating as the officer did at timestamp 36 seconds is the correct pre-escalation documentation procedure.
Do you have any property that you want me to grab?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, watch your step, watch your step. Hold on, hold on.
I didn't do nothing.
Let's go.
Free me, brother.
Come on. Watch your step.
I do not understand what they fucking did compared to anyone else. Imagine arresting some people that are about to just get right out. Like, what's the point? I don't mean to be rude to you.
This way.
Can I just ask?
Let me get you in the car first, okay?
Okay.
Come this way. Okay. Have a seat for me. Okay, so Michaela.
Yes.
Okay. All right, girl.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. I have gloves on, so you're fine.
Thank you. I'm sorry.
You're fine. You're fine.
My nose is really stuffy.
Do you want to blow your nose? You can.
I can't do it.
Is that better at least?
It's better.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can you turn and face that way? I'm gonna take those off and put them in the front. I got it. Okay, you're good.
I'm just curious.
I thought he had ass cuffs. So that's different.
Yeah, I just don't know if he etched them or anything, so I'll just give him this pair.
Yeah. I don't think there's serial numbers or anything, but.
Thank you. Just put your hands like that. That's more comfortable. This
Like
way.
this?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm so sorry
You're fine.
for all of this. Thank you, I appreciate it.
Listen, if you keep banging on the car, your handcuffs are gonna go back behind your back. You're laughing because I'll switch them right now.
Okay, and then I'm gonna go to the same place I was
Okay,
before.
yeah, you will.
Baby, bail me out! We'll see you guys soon on Daytona, baby. I'm sorry, I forget you. I love you guys. I'm sorry. Hey, David, buddy. Does it feel bad that this is wasting time? I love you guys.
We know. Hey, stay.
Michaela was arrested for minor in possession under Section 562.111 with resisting without violence exposure from the initial non-compliance. First-time MIP in Florida typically resolves with a citation, alcohol education program, and community service no permanent record if diversion is completed. Case disposition is unknown at time of analysis. The officer receives an A-. Patient conversation, genuine personal engagement, and physical accommodation during processing transformed a resistant subject into a cooperative one and secured both the age confirmation and the MIP admission voluntarily. That is the tactically and legally superior outcome. The minus. Come over here before any rapport-generated resistance that a different opening might have avoided. Excellent resolution of a partially self-created problem. Michaela receives a C+. The opening 30 seconds created 2 charges: Hiibel obstruction exposure and Section 843.02, resisting that cooperation from the start would have avoided. That conduct, evaluated alone, is a D-range performance. The C+ reflects the full arc: genuine complete de-escalation, sustained cooperation, and a level of accountability and warmth that is genuinely rare in Bodycam documentation. The grade is a composite of both people within the same encounter. 3 takeaways. First, under Hiibel and Section 843.02, refusing to give name and age during a valid MIP stop is not legally protected. It adds exposure, rather than reducing it. Second, I am on camera satisfies every element of Section 562.111 without any additional testing. Third, this footage is a case study in what de-escalation produces when both parties choose it: voluntary cooperation, voluntary admissions, and a resolved encounter rather than a contested one. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.